How to turn on streamer mode in Discord. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Discord on your device and log into your account. Then, at the bottom left corner of your screen, click on the gear icon, which is User Settings. After you click on it, you'll find this kind of screen. On the left side, scroll down and you'll find Streamer Mode. Click on Streamer Mode. After that, you'll find Enable Streamer Mode option. You can simply click on it and it will enable streamer mode. Make sure the circle is on the right side. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to turn on streamer mode in Discord. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.